If you are interested in learning more about software engineering, or if you are a software engineer yourself, you might want to watch some of the following YouTube videos that I found for you. Software engineering is the application of engineering principles and practices to the creation, operation, and maintenance of software systems. Software engineering is not the same as computer science, which is the study of the theoretical foundations of computation and information. Software engineering is more concerned with the practical aspects of developing and maintaining software systems. Software engineering is a relatively young discipline compared to other engineering fields. The term software engineering was first coined in 1968 by NATO as a response to the growing complexity and challenges of software development. Software engineering is a highly diverse and interdisciplinary field, involving many different skills, tools, methods, and domains. Some of the subfields of software engineering include software design, software testing, software quality assurance, software maintenance, software project management, software security, software ethics, and more. Software engineering is also influenced by many other disciplines, such as mathematics, logic, physics, psychology, sociology, linguistics, and more. Software engineers need to have a broad knowledge base and be able to communicate effectively with different stakeholders. Software engineering is a creative and dynamic process, requiring constant adaptation and innovation. Software engineers often have to deal with changing requirements, emerging technologies, evolving standards, and unforeseen problems. Software engineering is a collaborative and social activity, involving teamwork and communication among various roles and groups. Some of the common roles in software engineering teams include software developers, software testers, software architects, software analysts, software managers, software customers, and software users. Software engineering is a challenging and rewarding profession, offering many opportunities for learning and growth. Software engineers can work on various types of projects, such as web applications, mobile applications, desktop applications, embedded systems, games, artificial intelligence systems, and more. Software engineering is also a highly competitive and demanding profession, requiring high levels of skill, expertise, and experience. Software engineers have to cope with tight deadlines, high expectations, complex problems, and ethical dilemmas. Software engineering is a global and multicultural profession, involving people from different countries, cultures, languages, and backgrounds. Software engineers have to be aware of the cultural differences and preferences of their customers and users. Software engineering is a constantly evolving and expanding profession, driven by the rapid advancement of technology and the increasing demand for software solutions. Software engineers have to keep up with the latest trends and developments in the field. Software engineering is a highly influential and impactful profession, affecting many aspects of society and human life. Software systems can have positive or negative effects on various domains such as education, healthcare, entertainment, business, government, environment, and more. Software engineering is a fun and enjoyable profession for many people who love creating things with code. Software engineers can express their creativity and passion through their work. Software engineering is also a profession that can make a difference in the world. Software engineers can use their skills and knowledge to solve real-world problems and make a positive change. Software engineering is a profession that has many myths and misconceptions surrounding it. Some of the common myths are that software engineering is easy or hard, that software engineers are nerds or geniuses, that software engineering is boring or exciting, that software engineers work alone or in teams, that software engineering is only for men or women.